So earlier we talked about the performing stage and what are the characteristics of the performing stage in group work in general. But now we're going to talk about the characteristics of a successful study group. One is all group members contribute to the discussion. Number two is group members actively listen to each other without interrupting, and that would be hard for me. Only one group member should speak at a time. Group members will work to resolve problems raised by members. Group members should be prompt and come prepared to work. The group should stay on task with respect to its agenda, and always group members should show respect for each other. Group members should always feel free to give each other reflective feedback, and as a group member, you should be open to receiving that feedback and adjusting your behavior. Group members should feel comfortable revealing their strengths and challenges to each other so you can work on them and support each other. Group members should always feel free to ask each other questions. A concrete, practical piece of advice is, at the end of each study session, an agenda including specific group members' responsibilities for the next session should be created. And above all, a positive attitude that we can do this together should always be maintained.